This is how you do a psychedelic motion pulse effect inside After Effects. Effects and presets, type in Mr. Smoothie and apply that. It's going to go a bit crazy, which is exactly what we want. I turn up the smoothness to about 9, and then the main control that we want is just this phase. So if we go to frame 1, keyframe the phase, and then go to the end, and then we just twiddle this knob, and I find that about 1 full rotation for a 5-second timeline does the trick. I'm going to add a curves, ramp up the mids, pull down the shadows, just like a really strong contrast basically, but make sure the dark colours aren't crushed. And then we just want a hue and saturation, apply that, ramp up the saturation a bit, a glow, just to polish it off, threshold about 58, turn up the radius only a tiny bit, you don't want it to bleed too much. Just turn down the intensity to about 0.4. And voila, there we have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.